Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying Jongpi.
Ka Jingpang Jong ka Kanhor Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ha khat khandai tari kubnai naitung arazar arpuai kala shim da karai ban wanra no da ka joint venture hapo ka office trai kam Jong ka Maumlu Chera Cement Limited khanang man pen imbiang ya kani ka office ka badon menta hapadeng ka Jingpang Swai Menteri rang ba Jong ka Jilla Konrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor ulia tho baka jingshim ya kani ka rai ka long hadin baka Sorkar ka don menta hapadeng ka jinghiran pisa na ka benta ban Beijing irap pisa hado shispa khandai folklore tingka yagani ka shlempen mi dobilan kabadan hakashnong sora kat kum ka jingye tho Jong Menteri rang ba ka Sorkar Jilla kam don lat shu da kum wai pat la da kam pentrai kam da ka joint venture but kono ka company ka bala ban pen imbiang ya kani ka karkhana pen mi dobilan ka banin kong e hakathain shatai lam mi ngi Jong kari India hanrai lum kumta ka Sorkar kam bansi ban shu khang khardem no shisendon.
There's also a proposal regarding the MCCL. As you're aware, the MCCL has been facing huge financial burden. In the last 6 months to 8 months, at the Chief Minister's level, I have been engaging with a large number of stakeholders of the MCCL, including the employees, the management, the landowners, the owners of the mines, so on and so forth, including the local representatives also. At my level, officially I must have met them 3 times, but unofficially I have met them more than 6 to 7 times. The discussion on MCCL has been as follows. Because of the huge financial requirement and the burden that MCCL is in right now, and the fact that most of the production is not taking place, there was a need to take a decision to how to repair things and move forward. We discussed about the option of the state government investing, which is coming to the tune of 190 crores. The second option, which we had in hand, was to see if we can find a joint venture partner to come in and invest in MCCL. And the third option was to close down MCCL. So the proposal was brought in front of the cabinet today by the Industries Department to see ways and means in which MCCL can be retrieved. Therefore, keeping in mind the financial constraints that are there on the state and the inability of the state to invest 190 crores at this point in time, it was suggested that a joint venture route be taken. So with that proposal, the cabinet today has cleared the proposal to initiate the process of having a joint venture for MCCL.
No, this is the decision that was taken by the cabinet was to process and start moving for a joint venture. Now, obviously, that would mean that we will have to come out with a expression of interest. There will be a tendering process. There will be an entire study that will be done. We will open it to people who would be interested in investing in MCCL. And then obviously the best deal is what we'll go for. So the decision that is taken is to start the process.